Okay, we're walking in. Are you ready, Doss? Okay, we got this electrical. We got this electrical box. Got some cobwebs. Got a spider here taking up residence. He ain't paying no rent. We're gonna have to charge him some rent. Here is our electric box. Our porch. The front door. There's our door. Okay, here's the threshold stepping in to the door. There's our door. And take a look at the top. Looks like the people done a lot of work. There is one outlet next to Dawson. One outlet. We got the steps going up to the top. Let's go. Let me see. Here's the loft. Let me do this in increments so it'll let me send.